All right, so just a quick video. So just reinforcing why you need a dual catch can setup on your Ecoboost F150. So here's my 2.7 liter. This has only got about 2 to 2,500 miles since the last oil change. So this is the, what we'll call the cold side, where there's not really any boost. You can see there's just a little bit of oil in there. Kind of show you what that looks like. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, so this is the turbo side where the PCV is. Okay, you can see there's quite a bit of oil and other gunk in there. So that would have been all over the back of your valves and being sent through to be combusted in the intake. Just keep that in mind, all of that. So remember, just a quick tip, you really want a dual catch can setup if you have an Ecoboost F150.